Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. Today we're talking about picture adjustment using camera raw. So right now, you see, let's zoom in a bit. So let's dive in straight. Come to your filter here. Then you see camera raw. Then come to, look at the second camera raw. Click on this one. The essence why we didn't click on the previous one was if you have already done a similar camera raw effect, you can actually apply it to. So right now, from here, let's toggle around with this exposure. Let's add the contrast a bit. You can reduce the highlight. Look at the highlight. If you want to reduce the highlight, how it's coming up. Let's see the shadows. Let's push in shadows. Then the white, you can reduce white a bit. Add black. So now we'll work on the sharpness, texture, and look at the texture. Let's pull it out. Clarity. The clarity should come. No, sorry. It's clarity. To come a bit. Then the dehaze. I love this one because it works with, look at how, let's toggle around, you see the effect. So, but this is okay at this point. Then the sharpness, you scroll down, you toggle the sharpness, you see how it will come out. Then the noise reduction, if there's any noise, you can see, you see the difference. So from here, you can now click on OK. Let's wait for it to apply. So this particular image you have adjusted it to a given point. And this, you can do this for all your images. Like if you want to have better quality, improve the quality of your image, you can do it seamless without any problem. Thank you, and please, if you love this tutorial, click the subscribe button. And the link will be in the description for you to follow along with me. And anywhere you have any issues, please, you can use the comment section. See you in our next tutorial.